Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another one of my crypto videos, and today we're going to be covering Bitcoin, Reef, and Orion protocol. We are in a little bit of a dip on the market. Bitcoin went down and dragged some of the alts with it. And before we get into anything, I just want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into cryptocurrencies. Now, taking a look at the market, we can see that Bitcoin's down 6.5%. A little minor expected correction after a couple of impulsive waves, and we were testing the previous all-time high of 60,000, and we couldn't break it. Went down, and it's Sunday, and Sunday is historically one of the worst days of the week for Bitcoin, and I don't think this will last for much longer because of all the stimulus checks coming into and I don't think this is going to last for a very long time as well. I think we're going to be on the up leg tomorrow because of all the stimulus checks that US citizens are receiving now. So, Cardano ADA is up on the 7-day chart, but it's down a little bit. And we can see that Binance BNB flipped ADA from the third position, and Tether flipped ADA, and now it's back at the fifth spot on the top 10. Polkadot's is down 7%, and XRP's up 13.2% because of some news that came out regarding their case. I'm not following that, so I couldn't tell you a lot more. Now, jumping into the Bitcoin chart. So we can see that there was a correction, and it fell to $55.5 thousand. Now, we can see that we had this impulsive wave here, a level of consolidation, and then we tried to break the previous all-time high of 60,000. We just couldn't do it. We went back to the 382 fib level. We tested that for a bit, went back up to the 236 level, tested that a bit, and then we went down. So I don't think this is going to go on for much longer. I think we might test the 0.786 fib level, and then we're going to go back, test the 0.618 level a bit, and then we're off to the races because of all the stimulus checks, like I said. And the end of March is going to be a very bullish time to be in crypto, especially April. So we can expect Bitcoin to go up to $70,000. I've heard a lot of people are saying that they potentially see Bitcoin going to 72,000, and then we can expect a major correction like the one we had in mid-February, I believe it was. So yeah, keep your eyes on that. I will update you more if you want to stay updated with the Bitcoin, but I thought this was important for this video just so we understand what's going on with the market and why the market is down. I don't know why. It's just that it's Sunday, and usually these things happen on Sunday. But like I said, I don't see how this is gonna go down any further. Like, I would expect it going down here to 54,000. Like I said, test this level a bit and then go back up. I don't see us bouncing off the 200 EMA, which, as you can see, is the purple EMA down here. Now, jumping into Orion protocol, I made a video about this a couple of days ago, and it did pretty good. And it seems a lot of people know about this project, and a lot of people are invested in it. Now, the price is very good to get into right now. I don't see it dropping anywhere below this. It's actually doing pretty good with the correction. It's not really going down that much. So if we throw the fib on the chart right now, so we can see that we bounced off this level, $28.5, went back down to the 0.786 fib level, bounced off the 0.618 level, and then went back down. So we couldn't break this 0.786 level. Went back down, and now we're consolidating on the $23 range price. So I would say this is a good price to get in, and this is the time to get in. I would buy some more, but I'm not able to do that right now. I don't see us bouncing off the 55 EMA. If that happens, then great. We have another good entry point. So I'm gonna mark this level here just so you can see that is potentially an entry point, but like I said, I don't see this happening unless Bitcoin goes down further. So I would say this is a very good level to get in. As you can see, it bounced off the 0 level on the fib, so we can mark that as well. So if you want to get in on these two prices, that would be great. But honestly, I would buy in right now because the price is very good and we can expect a good rally up towards March 31st, which is when the mainnet is going to be launching. So yeah, guys, I don't expect us to drop down any further, and I think this is a good price to get in. So if you wanna get into a good project, not financial advice, but do your own research, this is a project that is very good. I made a video about it a couple of days ago, and you can check it out. And as you can see, we are in this trend line, and we are way above it. And I don't know if we're gonna touch it again, but if we do, then I'd probably say it would be somewhere around here because it doesn't seem like we are going to have a further correction. And what I can see happening with the price is that we continue here, probably bounce off this level a bit more, then consolidate a bit for here. Then as the market starts to pick up, the EMA starts to creep up a bit, and I don't see us bouncing off it, but the EMA is going to go further, and the price is just going to stay in this 24-25 range for a day. And we can see a lot of FOMO coming in later in this week, and that's when people are going to see some good gains. And towards March 31st, which is going to be somewhere around here, I can see us bouncing off this trend line because we haven't done that in a while. Because now if the trend line would be here, I can see the price coming up and bouncing off somewhere here. So this is a potential level that it's going to drop back after the mainnet, because I can see a lot. Yeah, this doesn't look good, I'm sorry, but I can see the price going down a lot after the mainnet. There's going to be a pretty good sell-off, but what you want to do is you want to sell before the day of mainnet, or even 2 days before, at the peak price, and then get back in once the price drops. So I see us holding this trend line. If not, then expect to go down to these support levels. And guys, yeah, that's pretty much it for Orion. Let's jump into Reef. So Reef has been doing pretty good with this drop off. Now, we were trending in this broadening channel, and we now broke it and we went down. And you can always adjust the channel like this, but I really hope that we can get back into this channel, because this was a good way. This was a good channel and we were on an uptrend. Now we are in this correction, and I can see that the price is probably going to bounce off the 200 EMA. So expect us to bounce if Bitcoin goes a little bit down more. Now this would be a good entry point if Bitcoin went down a bit, and the price of Reef is going to drop down as well. And we can see that yesterday we were about to make that bullish cross where the 20 EMA was beneath the 55 EMA, and then it would, pop right out of it, and the price would skyrocket. Well, not skyrocket necessarily, but it would be in an uptrend. And we did see that the price was very good yesterday. It was going up. So now is a good time to get into Reef. Let's throw the fib level on. All right, so you can see that we went down because of all the FUD that was around Reef a couple of days ago. If you know, then you know. If not, research it. Then we went down to these levels, and then we tested the 0.236 fib level. We couldn't get past it. We went past it a bit, dropped back down, and then we went down with the market. So yeah, this is looking good for Reef. I would say this is a good buying opportunity. Get in now, because this is, I think, one of the last times that we're going to see the price below 4 cents. Of course, if we're not going to see any more bad news. So yeah, guys, if you want to get into Bitcoin, Orion, or Reef, now is the time, because this is the dip, and you want to buy the dips and sell the highs. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you want to see more updates on some other cryptocurrencies, then let me know down below in the comments section. I see a lot of you are enjoying my Orion video. And yeah, guys, that is it. See you later.